I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the adapter type and compatibility because MagSafe and USB-C behave differently. Next, inspect the cable and brick closely. Physical damage often causes intermittent charging. Then plug the charger into a different known good outlet and, if available, test with a verified genuine charger or cable to isolate the problem. Once done, note whether the LED or system indicator changes. This tells you if the issue is the charger or the Mac's input circuitry. Now move into detailed diagnostics. Power down and inspect the Mac's charging port with a flashlight, then blow out dust with short bursts of compressed air and carefully remove visible debris with a plastic or wooden pick. This restores contact. If you have USB-C, swap cables and chargers to test the power delivery handshake. If MagSafe, observe the LED behavior. Check system report or battery settings for AC charging, cycle count, and health to determine whether the battery or power management is failing. Finish by performing the appropriate power reset. On Intel Macs, reset the SMC. On Apple Silicon, do a full shutdown and wait 30 seconds before restart to clear power state. If the Mac still won't charge, replace the charger or cable with a genuine unit. For persistent port or board faults, consider replacing the DC in board or visiting service. If charging status is inconsistent, check system report one last time. Troubleshooting tip: if you see liquid indicators or erratic readings, stop DIY attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.